We never saw Kibaki with a Bible.
Even Uhuru.
The best performing president Kibaki, we never saw him with a Bible. Na Kibaki kila jioni alikuwa anakunywa white cup mbili. Kibaki kila jioni. Hakuna mahali Kibaki alisimama akasema Bwana asifiwe. Yet today we say Kibaki was the best president we had. Huyu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, hakuna mahali tuliona Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta akiwa anabeba Biblia kubwa kwenda nayo kanisani. Na unaona Uhuru alifaili kwa vitu zingine mingi, but in infrastructure give him 80%. Give him. A drunkard, mulevi. Ogopa sana hao watu wanabeba Biblia. Fear them. Fear them. Hao watu wanabeba Biblia, fear them.